Okay. Excellent. All right. So, have you take a seat here. So this is your station. You'll just sit back, relax, have a good time, relax, relax. Yeah. First things first, you're sitting in the right position. We're going to be working out here. So you might be leaning over. That's great. Okay. You'll notice that your sleep actually moves up. Sometimes they'll separate. They do, but that's still out. Okay. All right. Good. Looking good. So now I'm going to go over this tool. This is our main tool that we're going to be using. So low height, right? So it's basically a hollow tube that we're going to use to go over bubbling class. Right. Now, essentially, you have a friend who's a glass bar. I'm just going to go over everything. But essentially, the pipe will roll back and forth on these rails here, and it's like this. So left hand, squeeze it out, use your hands to grab it, turn it back and forth just like that. Okay? Now, I'll have you every step of the way. Yeah, I'll always be right here. Kind of where the heat divides. All the darker you turn in the middle, your hot side, your hot side. Okay? Your left hand is on the pipe, your right hand will have hand tool and the other thing about this tool is that eventually we're going to be going to bubbles, right? Into glass. So what that's going to look like, so I'm going to hold the pipe right out here. Okay. What I want you to do, I'm not going to go all the way towards you because I don't want to ask for a whole bunch of attitude or anything, right? So I'm going to stop right here. What I want you to do is go ahead and grab this end, bring it towards you the rest of the way. That way you're in control. And then you're going to blow into it. Now there's going to be glass in the center right now, so I'm going to leave it turn. So when you grab it, just don't leave it right. Don't get it like decorate, right? Okay, so either have a loose grip or turn it right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Excellent. So just like that, and I'll either tell you to blow like here or depending on what we go. Okay. So now we go over the process where the answers fall. First layer is a small layer of clear. We're going to blow it's going to start bubbling. It's basically just a small bubble. After that, we're going to let that layer cool down. We'll go ahead and gather a second layer of clear. And that's when I'll apply the color. Okay? So it's on the outside. Okay? Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and melt in all that color. Then, this is where you put out the hand tools. So the first tool is located right behind you. This will be your second tool. Then this will be your third tool. Okay? So your first tool, once I melt in all that color, we need to shape the glass in the next round. This tool is called a block. It's basically a tool with a hole that allows us to shape our glass the right side. Okay? A few things about this tool is that this edge is the widest part. So if you ever use it, And then once we have our cup shape, we're going to flatten it out. And this does nothing. It's not okay. Okay. But the best results, just make sure that you're nice and parallel. Up the side, things like this. You might need to lean over to kind of see where it is. As we're turning back and forth, that body is okay. Okay. Well, that was good. All right. All right. So now with that being said, any questions? Nope. Nope. Ready to get started? Ready to get started. Okay. So I'll be right back with the first layer of black.
Said if I could find the bucket.
Yeah, I know, right? peeking the glass. Just to make it easier to learn, right? Stop. Beautiful. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and pick up those jacks. We're going to start our neckline right off the head of the pipe. So right at the beginning of our bubble. Down this high. Squeeze a little bit harder. And it's kind of feel it. Well, it's more heat. We'll blow it up just a little bit more. Okay, repeat that process. I mean, you're welcome to try. How's that look? That looks good. All right. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just straighten out that little bump there. Let's get that paddle one more time just to make sure. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, the tip is very hot. I'm just going to try to equalize the temperature. But I'm going to take a nice overall heat. Keep this really hot, and I'll prepare the pipe glass. So you're just going to, after I have this heat, temporary glue on the rails. Okay. Just try to keep it on center as best as possible. Best as possible. with my immense glass shaky skill. Yeah. I'll try and channel my printer. There you go. Yes. ahead and stop turning. All right, and now you can let go of the pipe. Okay, turn. Just try to center it up. Add a little bit of water here. Now you can see that there's a hole at the top, right? Yep. So that's where we're going to open up. Horizontal, yeah, fashion. Exactly, just like that. Really not getting everything perfect in it. There is lots. We're introducing it right now. It's important to my self-esteem. Totally up to you. Yeah, probably will want to. I'm going to give this to my wife unit. Okay. This present. Okay, yeah, absolutely. So yeah, go ahead and grab that paddle there. And we want to be very gentle with the pressure, okay? Just very, very gentle. Nice. All right, stop. Now go ahead and grab those straps. Rest of our heat, try to open this up. As you may have saw before, glass does not like to be cooled down very quickly, right? But we actually take advantage of this by adding just a little bit of water to what's called our punty here. That actually shocks the glass, so that when we introduce impact, it breaks nice and clean. Now this area might be broken, there might be some chips lingering, so we take a torch here. We want to melt in any imperfections. And now that we have this heat, we use our maker's mark. Just like that. That way way you never forget it.
Yep.
There's your cup.
Okay.
All right. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah, great job.